Haptic control of the robot requires fast computation also from the robot controller. In practice, calling of gripper script functions causes slight wobbling of the robot wrist. For that reason, gripper script function calls are minimized, and this can be seen as incremental movements of the gripper fingers. Using of I/O signals to control the gripper directly might be a better solution. Despite the vacuuming, some debris was left on the table. A quick brush test is carried out to remove it. Here the surfaces are brushed using the position control. At this point, I have to switch to force control because the risk of collision is obvious. Switching between positional and force control is done by pressing the button on the arm of the haptic device. Here trying to shake the debris away from the brush by switching to position control and wobbling the wrist. In the next video, the pallet is picked up and placed in a better pose for the following tasks.